What's up, guys? How you doing today? It's me, Captain A3A once again with another aircraft review. Alright, I'll give you some hints. This is a 5-star air carrier base. Their primary hub is Paris Charles de Gaulle International Airport in Paris, France, and Orly. Now, this airliner is considered the most beautiful airliner in the entire world, and is a member of SkyTeam with KLM and Delta Airlines. You want to see who it is? Just a minute. This is Air France's Concorde. The British Aerospace Aerospatiale Concorde. First flight of Concorde was in 1969. It was delivered to both British Airways and Air France in 1977. It made its first transatlantic flight from London to New York John F. Kennedy International Airport, which that flight takes 9 hours. Well, actually, the 9 hours would be from Paris to New York on Concorde. But you could get to New York more quicker in Concorde. Now, Matt Midget HD did a review of this aircraft, but it was from Gemini Jets, from Gemini 200. Now, I'm going to give you a review of the aircraft. Starting with the cockpit. You notice something a little bit different about Concorde. Well, Concorde has like a drooping nose. The nose is lowered, so when the aircraft is on final approach, it would be able to smooth in for a perfect landing. It is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce Olympus afterburn turbofan engines. This aircraft would be able to travel at twice at the speed of sound. Not since when Chuck Yeager made his first flight in the Bell X-1 Glenlis on October 14th, 1947. I'll give you a review, starting now with the cockpit. That's a little bit better. Right now, you're staring at the cockpit windshield and the windshield wipers. Now I'm going to take you along the aircraft, beginning at the L1 door, and the Air France title, Concorde's Delta wing, and coming back towards Concorde's 4 Rolls-Royce afterburn turbofan engines. Now, like any other, well, not like any jetliners, Concorde did not have no thrust reversers. The only thing Concorde had was thrust buckets. You wouldn't be able to see them, but they are deployed after Concorde lands. Now you can see a view from above, which is very nice. Now, I didn't tell you the registration of this aircraft is FBT SD. I'm going to give you a tour of the port and starboard side of the aircraft. the Air France, well, actually, Air France's logo on the tail of Concorde, the registration, Concorde's Delta wings, and come up on the starboard side of the aircraft, right up to the nose. And that's it for this review. But there's more about this plane. On June 25th, 2000, Air France Flight 4590 departed from Paris Charles de Gaulle International Airport with 109 passengers and crew on board. They were heading to New York. And a piece of metal that came from a Continental McDonnell Douglas DC-10 that was taken off from Paris Charles de Gaulle on its way to Newark Liberty was on the runway, and the landing gear had shredded the metal. Well, the metal had shredded the landing gear, and I'll show you exactly what happened. A fire started on this side of the aircraft and then on the other side. As the aircraft began after its flight, it couldn't go back to Paris Charles de Gaulle, and couldn't even go to Orly. Just about an hour into the flight, Air France Flight 4590 had rolled over on its back and crashed into a hotel restaurant, killing 6 people on the ground. And everyone on board perished. Both British Airways and Air France had grounded Concorde after the terrorist attack of 9/11. Air France had retired Concorde first, and then British Airways in 2003. Now, you'll be able to see this aircraft, well, not this actual aircraft, is at the new Air and Space Museum in Washington, well, not in Washington, D.C., but in Virginia, at the Steve F. Yahalsey Air and Space Museum near Washington Dulles International Airport. Now, give you one last glimpse at Concorde before this puppy is put to rest. A bird's eye view of Concorde, and this side, and that side. Okay, guys, that's it now for this video. If you like this video, and if you like the other videos I have posted on YouTube, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And you know the basic routine. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you around.